Fantastic! Pat yourself on the back for getting through this much so far, because it's about to get a bit more fun. Now we are going to go through assessing whether a teacher is appropriately implementing a forward chaining procedure when teaching their learner. To do this right, you are going to need to have some sort of data sheet. Where are we ever going to find such a BAM! A good instructor always comes prepared. Here's our Performance Monitoring Tool, or PMT, which is a fancy name for a data sheet for implementing a certain procedure. For this purpose, we have a PMT for forward chaining. Let me go through this with you so that we get a good grasp of what each of the target steps are. We are going to show you a video of a therapist. Let's call him Vahe, going through the forward chaining procedure with their client. And let's call him Lance, because that's his name. For this first one, we will go slowly and step by step to show you how to take data on the therapist's performance. Please follow along on your data sheet and fill it in as we do on the video. Here we go! Okay, so Vahe seems to have the appropriate materials ready, which include the pizza, plate, and microwave. It looks like he has filled out the information section of his data sheet.
Lance, warm up your food.
Vahe did a good job of making sure to call Lance first, then provide the instruction to him.
Close the door. Nice job, buddy.
He also made sure to allow Lance to independently complete the initial steps that he already knows how to do. Since he didn't make any mistakes during the steps, Vahe did not need to prompt incorrect responses, so this item will be marked as NA. So since the previous trial involved a model prompt, this time Vahe made sure to provide the next least intrusive prompt in the hierarchy, which was the verbal prompt. He also allowed the client up to 3 seconds to complete all of the initial steps and the target step before he would have prompted. After Lance correctly closed the door with the prompt, he made sure to praise him by telling him that he did a good job.
30 seconds. And awesome job, thank you.
Following the target step, which is closing the microwave door, Vahe used the full physical prompt to help complete the remaining steps. Lastly, he made sure to take data on the behaviors that Lance was engaging in. Now to add up the total. He would have 10 yeses and 0 nos. That means that he got 10 out of 10 items correct, which means that Vahe implemented the forward chaining procedure with 100% fidelity.